Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to clean a data in a Power BI. I'll show you exactly what I do. So first come here and click on Home from the top menu. And then go ahead and click here on Transform Data. You'll get a drop down. Click again on a Transform Data. Okay, now this opens up the Power BI Query Editor. And from here, all I want you to go ahead and do once this opens up is just right click on any of these columns. I'll have to do this for each column. Okay, so first just right click and then go ahead and click on remove duplicates. Okay, I usually do that to clean up my data. As you can see, removed duplicates. Okay, now I right click again and I usually remove errors as well. And as you can see, the errors have been removed. Now you have to do the same thing with all of these other columns one by one. And if I find something that is not really necessary, I also go ahead and just right click and then just click on remove. Okay, basically delete that column. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. Make sure you come and close this and apply the changes. Click here on yes. It's really that easy and simple.